Hello everyone, my name is Jonathan Blaya and today I'll be showing you how to use the graphing utility Desmos. To getting started, you have to go online to desmos.com/calculator, and this is the graphing utility. In here you can make an account, which I have, and with that account you can save all your graphs, giving them a name. For example, here we'll name this video example. You can also change the name again by clicking here, and you can open all of the previous graphs you have made, like I have done in here, which I have a graph. Also, they have some previously made example graphs if you want to learn anything that I do not talk about in this video. So in here, let's get back to the graph we made. You can add points by putting the coordinates, and you will have the point right here. If you click on it, you will have the coordinate, or you can add a label, which makes a coordinate permanently. You can also change the label to something. Let's have this first point, and you can edit where the label is positioned, on the left, the right, above, below. You can also change the size of the text and even the orientation to make it vertical if you please. To make another line or coordinate, you click right underneath. You can make lines like y is equal to 5, or you can make it equal to x. You can even have a number with a variable for the slope, and you can even have variables that you can change later on, like bx, and add and right underneath it will tell you if you want to add a slider for b, which you'll click on, and then in here you can change the number that b represents at any time you please, or you can type it. Another thing you can do is when you click back on here, you can also add a power. In the bottom left corner you can see a symbol that says show keyboard, and in here you have all that you need. You can have all the letters, or you can even have the mainly used stuff in here. This is for having a second power, but if you want to have a power specific, you can type a to the b and it will let you type. So if you have, for example, a number, a really exaggerated number, for example, to the fourth power, third power, fifth power, anything that you want, it will be here. Let me just make this. Or you can even have another slider, let's say E, for example. And then here you put E is equal to blank 2. The problem is that, I just noticed, the problem is that E is usually a number. So let's make it H, for example, and add a slider for H. And here you can change what H is equal to. -3, 1, anything you prefer. Make it 3. You can also have trigonometry, like sine of x or cosine of x. And if you want to shade the area, all you have to do is Y, and in the tools down here from the keyboard that is added on your screen, you can shade the area by clicking on this, for example, to shade the area on top of the graph. Or if you click here, you can have shade the area underneath. If you notice, because it's equal to, the line will be bolded, but if you just have this greater than, it will be a dashed line. So if we have equal to right here, what you will notice is that you have points at the top, at the peaks and drops of the graph, and also in the x and y intercepts. If you want to know the coordinate of any part of the line, all you have to do is click very close to the line, and you will see a tiny dot, the same color as the line, will appear on top of the line, anywhere right on top of where you're clicking. And if you're close to an important point like the y-intercept or the x-intercept, it will show you the coordinate right here. So that's all that I can show you for today. Remember that you can here save right here, or if you want and you go back in here, you can save on the top left. But since we have not made any changes, it won't show it. That's all that I'll be showing you for today. I hope you guys learned something, and that's it. Bye.